How to put Do Not Disturb mode on WhatsApp. Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how you can turn on the Do Not Disturb mode on WhatsApp. So let's get started. For that, open your WhatsApp and go to your settings. And unfortunately, WhatsApp doesn't have the option of going Do Not Disturb mode individually like only on WhatsApp. You may go to notifications, but you don't really have the option of going on Do Not Disturb mode. So what you need to do is turn off the Do Not Disturb mode on your whole phone, like the whole settings. So for that, you need to go to your settings on your phone. Here, you need to go under sounds and vibration. Just tap on it. And when you scroll down a bit, you can see looking for something else, Do Not Disturb. It may vary from this option may vary from device to device. You may find it in other places of the settings, but in my phone it is on the sounds and vibration. Or you may directly search on the search bar for Do Not Disturb and tap on it. And you just need to turn on this toggle option. Just turn it on and your device is on Do Not Disturb mode. Now you won't get any notifications or any kind of vibrations if a message is sent to you or a call is done to you. So in that way you can put your Do Not Disturb mode on your phone, including WhatsApp. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you.